Make a great choice today with the 2015 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.